How to optimize BlueStacks for smoother gameplay without lag. First, before you install BlueStacks on your PC, then you should choose the version that fits your system. Select See All versions. If you play like games on a low-spec PC, you should choose the Nougat 32-bit version. Or if your PC has mid-range or high-end specs, then you should choose the version that matches your PC. After you've installed the version that suits your PC, now I'll show you how to optimize BlueStacks. You should go to the menu, Chun Setting. For the CPU and RAM section, leave them at default in the Performance section. For high-end PCs, select High Performance. For low-end PCs, select Low Memory. For mid-range PCs, select Balanced. For mid-range and low-end PCs, leave the frame rate at default. For high-end PCs, enable high frame rate. Then choose the frame rate that suits your system. That completes the performance section. Select Save Changes. Select Restart Later, so we can continue with the setup. Go to the Display section. For high-end PCs, select to 560 or 3840. For mid-range PCs, select 1920 or 1600. For low-end PCs, select 1280 or 960. Next, go to the Pixel Density section. For high-end PCs, set it to 320 dpi. For mid-range PCs, set it to 240 dpi. For low-end PCs, set it to 160 dpi. That completes the display section. Select Save Changes. Select Discard Changes. Next, go to the Graphics section. In the Interface Renderer section, you can leave it on Auto or set it manually. For low-end PCs running light games, set it to OpenGL. For high-end PCs playing heavy games, select DirectX, or use the Software option, select Software, or you can leave it on Auto. That completes the Graphics section. Next, go to the Phone section. Select the phone model. Just choose a newer phone model. After selecting, choose Save Changes. Then close it. Reopen it so the settings take effect. That completes the optimization on BlueStacks. Additionally, you can also optimize your PC. If your PC has a graphics card, make sure to update it. You should update your graphics card on the manufacturer's official website for better performance. I've already made a video showing how to update your graphics card. I'll put the video link in the description below this video. Click on it to watch. Besides helping our PC run faster and smoother, you can also optimize it directly. I've already made a video showing how to optimize your PC. I'll put the video link in the description below this video. Click on it to watch. So I've just shown you how to optimize BlueStacks on your PC or laptop, helping you play games smoothly without any lag. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much.